Hello everyone, and welcome back to Talk Dara, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today.
It is. How are you, Tom?
I am good, thank you. I am awake.
Awake. That is a good start.
Yes, I had my coffee, so I am ready. How are you, Emily?
I am great. I am very happy today. I had a good morning.
Oh, that's nice. A good morning is very important.
It is. And that is our topic today. We are going to talk about our daily life, our routines.
Ah, daily routines. Yes, this is a topic everyone has. We all have a day.
Yes, we do. We all have things we do every day, morning, afternoon, and night.
It sounds very interesting.
Some people think routine is a boring word.
Maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and very interesting.
I agree, and it is perfect for English practice. We use simple words to talk about our day. But first, before we talk about our day, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button, a big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you are new, welcome.
It helps us so much, and please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you. We love our listeners. Okay, Tom.
Yes, Emily.
Daily life. Let's start at the beginning, the morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You do not like the morning?
Emily, I am not a morning person. Not at all.
Oh, really? I am a morning person. I love the morning.
Wow. For me, the morning is very difficult. The alarm clock.
Ah, the alarm clock. Yes.
I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm is music. Soft music.
That is smart. My alarm is just loud. I wake up and I think, oh no, already?
And do you get up?
No, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button.
Yes. 5 more minutes.
But is it really 5 minutes?
Maybe 5 minutes. Then 5 more minutes.
Oh, Tom, so when do you really get out of bed?
When I must. When it is very late. I jump out of bed. I'm late.
That is very funny. My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early, before the sun.
Wow. Why?
I love the quiet. The house is very quiet. No cars, no noise. It is just me.
And what do you do?
The first thing, the most important thing, is coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee. Me too. I run from the bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee? I like my coffee with a little hot milk. It is very warm and nice. What about you?
I like it strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just coffee.
And what do you do while you drink it?
I drink my coffee and I look at my phone.
Oh no, not the phone.
Yes, I look at the news and emails. What about you?
I don't look at my phone. I sit by the window with my coffee. I just think. It is very calm.
Maybe I should try that.
It is very nice. Okay, so we have coffee. What about breakfast?
Breakfast is very fast for me.
Because you are late?
Yes, I eat toast. Just toast with butter or maybe a banana. Very easy.
That is very fast. I like to eat a good breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
Eggs? Wow, you have a lot of time.
I wake up early.
That's true. Okay, so after breakfast, we get ready for the day. I take a shower. I like a very hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower is good for waking up. And then the difficult part,
What?
choosing clothes.
Oh, yes.
I look in my closet. I have many clothes, shirts, pants, dresses, and I always think,
What?
I have nothing to wear.
Yes, I know that feeling.
It is so silly. I have so many clothes. What is your system?
My system is very easy. I only have blue shirts.
Really?
Yes, blue shirts, white shirts, gray shirts. Very simple. I grab one, done.
That is very smart.
It is easy. No thinking. Thinking is for later.
Okay, so you have your blue shirt. I finally find a dress, and then work.
Yes, time to go to work. How do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus.
The bus. Is it good?
It is okay. It is very crowded. Many people.
I don't like crowded places.
Me too, but I can listen to music. I put in my headphones and listen to music or a podcast.
Oh, a podcast. A good podcast?
Yes, sometimes I listen to Emily English Daily.
Good choice. What about you? How do you get to work?
I drive my car.
Ah, your car. That is nice.
It is nice, but the traffic is not nice.
Oh, yes, the traffic. Many cars.
So many cars, all going very slow. Stop, go, stop, go.
Oh, that is boring.
It is. I listen to loud music.
Okay, so we are at work. What is your workday like? Is it busy?
Yes, it is always busy. The first thing I do is more coffee.
Of course.
I go to my desk, I turn on my computer, and so many emails.
Ah, the emails. I know.
I read emails, I write emails, and then I have meetings.
Yes, meetings. Like the meeting about the big report.
Yes, like that meeting. Talking.
My day is similar. I talk to people, I help people. I like my job. But yes, many emails.
What about lunch? This is my favorite part of the workday.
Me too. Food. Do you bring your lunch from home or do you buy lunch?
I usually buy lunch. I am not very organized. I go to a small cafe near my office and buy a sandwich.
Is it good?
It is very good, and I like to walk for 10 minutes, get out of the office.
Yes, that is important. I bring my lunch from home.
Oh, that is very good, very organized.
Yes, I make a salad or a sandwich at home in the morning.
Wow, you make eggs and a sandwich.
It is easy and it is cheap. Buying lunch every day is expensive.
That is true. And in the afternoon?
I get very sleepy.
Oh, yes, around 3 p.m.
Yes, exactly 3 p.m. My eyes are
Do you drink more coffee?
sometimes, or I drink green tea.
Green tea is good. I eat a small snack, an apple.
An apple? Very healthy. I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too.
Okay, so 5 p.m., work is finished.
Yes, the best time.
I go home on the bus again. I am very tired now. I just look out the window.
I go home in my car. The traffic is bad again.
Oh no.
But I am happy because I am going home.
Yes, home is the best. What is the first thing you do when you open the door?
Good question. I put down my keys, I put down my bag, and I say hello to my dog.
Oh, you have a dog?
Yes, his name is Max. He is very happy to see me. He jumps, he barks.
Oh, that is so nice. What about you?
I open the door and I say hello to my cat.
You have a cat?
Yes, her name is Bella.
Is Bella happy to see you?
She is a cat.
Oh, I see.
She looks at me and says, meow.
What does that mean?
It means, hello, now give me food.
Cats, they are the boss.
Yes, Bella is the boss of my house. So after you say hello to the pets, what next?
I change my clothes. This is very important.
Oh, yes.
I take off my work clothes, my blue shirt, and I put on comfortable clothes, a t-shirt.
Yes, me too. Comfortable clothes. It feels so good.
And then dinner time.
Yes, I am usually hungry. Do you cook dinner?
I try, but I'm a bad cook. A very bad cook.
Oh, no.
I burn things. I burned the chicken. I burned the rice. One time, I think I burned the water.
How do you burn water?
I don't know. I forgot it. All the water was gone.
Oh, my goodness. So what do you eat for dinner?
I cook simple things. Pasta with tomato sauce or eggs.
Eggs again.
Eggs are easy. Or I order food.
Like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza. Pepperoni pizza.
Pizza is a great dinner. I like cooking. I cut vegetables. I listen to music. I like to make soup or pasta.
That sounds delicious. You are a very good cook.
It is just simple food. So after dinner, it is maybe 7 p.m. What do you do?
I clean the kitchen.
Oh, good job.
Yes. And then I sit on my sofa, my big red sofa, and Bella, the cat, sits with me.
Aw.
She sits on me and she sleeps.
Oh, that is very sweet. And do you sleep too?
Not yet. I watch TV.
What do you watch?
I like funny movies, comedies. I need to laugh after a long day.
Yes, laughing is good. I don't watch much TV. I read a book.
Oh, reading is good. What kind of books?
I like stories, and I also have to walk Max.
Oh, yes, the dog.
He needs a walk, so we go outside for a short walk.
Is it nice at night?
It is very nice. It is quiet. I look at the stars.
That sounds lovely. My cat does not like walks.
No, I don't think so. So, what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed late.
How late?
Maybe 11:30 p.m. or midnight.
Midnight, Tom.
I know. I watch one more movie or I read something on the internet.
And then in the morning, you are tired.
Yes, it's a big circle.
What about you?
I go to bed early.
I'm a morning person, remember? I go to bed at 10 p.m.
10 p.m.? Wow, that is early.
Yes, I like my sleep. I brush my teeth, I put on my pajamas, I read in bed for 10 minutes, and then asleep.
That is wonderful. You get a lot of sleep.
Yes, and you, the not a morning person, you do not.
No, I do not.
Wow, we talked about our whole day.
Yes, from the alarm clock to pajamas.
It was so nice to hear about your day, Tom.
It was great to hear about yours and about Max and Bella.
Yes, well, that is all the time we have for today.
Wow, time flies. Thank you, everyone, for listening to our chat.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed talking about daily life. And please don't forget to subscribe to Emily English Daily.
And give this episode a like if you had fun.
And share it with your friends. We also have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments below, please tell us, are you a morning person like Emily? Or are you an evening person like me?
Tell us in the comments. We would love to read what you write.
We really would. Okay, see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.